Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel Finance for Beginners, where today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can check for events on investing.com. To do so, first of all, you just have to open up investing.com on your Google Chrome browser like I already did. And after opening investing.com, you will be on this kind of page. Here you can see many options like crypto, news, and many more. If you go on to economic calendar, you can see that it will take you to a different page. And now if you scroll down, you can see all the list of events that are happening at this given date and time. So this is a really easy process to check for events that are happening on investing.com. And if you are thinking of attending them, make sure to check its country and place with its time and the events. This was for this video, and that's how you can check for events on investing.com. I hope you guys find the video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for review, and for more content like this, see you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.